We had some leftover ice and water shield, which is this first layer, and then some tar paper left. We figured we'd just use it up here. Ideally, you would go all the way across with it, but we're just using up materials that we had left over from our garage overhang over there. So now we're gonna get the roofing up. We're gonna work on lining it up correctly, so that way the edges work well with the side caps.
Top it. So this edge goes over the one next to it, so because the prevailing wind typically comes from that way, so it'll blow over the top rather than getting up under seams.
Great. Yep. Okay.
What's it doing
That
out
looks
on the end?
That looks about right. It looks the same all the way now. Yep. I'm gonna come grab it. Well, I wasn't sliding on that very well, so figure easier. Just one this time?
Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. We can go two. We can go two, and then the other one might only be one. We can make this work. Careful of walking on that and sliding it.
Yeah.
Fingers over there.
All right. Now we start screwing. Those over things.
Denver gable.
The Denver gable. It's gonna fall right this time because we have
yeah.
the hump right at the end.
Right. So probably two.
So this is probably safe to walk on now that it has a couple on.
With the last one being fair, like we don't want to be too close to the end though, because we're gonna put a piece of drip edge on. So
and we don't want this in the way of the gable
right,
thing.
So stay in this one. Don't go this way for now. I should have put it in this one, but I did it because there's a support under there.
Okay.
So really just do two and space, like go about where your hand is, right?
Here?
Yep, and then that way, and then we'll just leave it until we decide what we're doing.
I'm not going to do this right at the top because we might put in something here. Is that true?
Yeah, so don't do it yet.
Or go to the very top?
No, don't do it
But
yet.
I'd like to take that one out. If you're going to do brown, then we should do a whole row of brown.
Or we can just open. It's just we're going to have a whole bunch left.
I'd rather use up what we got.
Well, that's kind of what I was
So we're not going to really see this anyways. So you want it like about
Oh
here?
no, because that could get in the way of the roof. Put it near this one. You have to put it near this one.
Oh.
Because remember that one didn't go in full. So we're gonna have to kind of do a double up, but just put it a little after it, or don't put it parallel to it is what I'm saying. I guess you can if you got room. I guess it doesn't really matter. If you feel it's better just to put it parallel, then just put it parallel. I was thinking a little bit parallel.
Yeah, that looked weird.
You like to just do things.
You need me?
Okay, am I okay to keep going?
Yep.
Might need you up there to help. And of course, I didn't think those were going to be in there.
With mine, once I took it out and then put it in, it worked. I had one that smoked worse than that.
Contest?
And it still worked.
I think I got you beat. I think I got you beat.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable doing that with 1 foot off the ladder.
Do you want to try to hit that hole in the roof?
No.
It's really on the edge.
It's fine. Don't. Just put another one
Like right here.
on that piece.
If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.